Okay, let's get started here today. Meditation, how do we do this? And we're going to use, don't need very much in terms of props. You may want to have a pillow. So I have a little pillow tucked underneath me here. If I'm sitting without a pillow, I find that my knees go up towards my shoulders and my back starts to round. So with the pillow just tucked right underneath my sit bones, it just allows my spine to sit up straighter. Okay, and if you have it, we're going to use our lemon oil. And the essential oils are not, you don't necessarily have to have them as the part of the challenges, but they end up being part of our trigger habit reward system. And so it makes us remember to do some of our habits, and it gives us a little bit of a reward because they're enjoyable, they're fun to do. So if you have your lemon oil, if you don't worry, but if you do, just kind of rub it into your hands. Take a moment just to breathe it in. And again, just a nice deep breath out, and take a moment to breathe it in. So if you've just put oil on your hands, I'm going to suggest you take your palms face up, just so that you don't get any residue on your pants. And this is an option for you. If you're not using the oil, you can also take your hands facing down. So I would have my hands facing down on a day that I am just crazy and have a lot going on. I'd have them faced up on a day where I just want to release and open a little bit more through my shoulders. Okay. Let's get started. Take a nice deep breath out to start with. As you breathe in, just feel your spine lifting up nice and tall. Roll those shoulders back and just gently close your eyes. We're going to start off by simply checking in, just to notice how we feel. So deep breath out. And then just let your breath return to just a normal breathing. Notice if it feels quick and anxious this morning, or if it feels slow and calm. Doesn't matter what it is, just notice. And just notice how your body feels today. Is there any place that's stiff and sore? Are you just recovering from a cold or a cough? Do you have any congestion that you can feel physically within your body? And just notice what you feel like mentally today. Does your brain feel kind of foggy and tired, or is it crisp and focused? And then just notice how you feel like emotionally. Do you feel excited for the day? Are you dreading something in your day? Just notice what that emotional state is as you start. And then just reconnecting again to your breath, just gently breathing in, smoothly breathing out. And as you breathe in, perhaps you can draw in something positive, some energy, something that you need in your day. And as you breathe out, maybe you can let go of any negative sensations that were with you physically or mentally or emotionally. Breathing in that energy. And breathing out that feeling of fogginess or tiredness. And then just gently opening up your eyes. Roll your shoulders back again. And that's it. That's your minute. It doesn't take very long. That's as easy, it's as simple as it can be. But the one last thing I want to leave you with today is just I want you to reflect on what it is. If you had more energy in your day, what would you do with that energy? We call this, in our habit change theory and philosophy, we call this our big why. And so what's your big why for joining the program? What would you like to have more energy for in your day? It might be something really simple, like just having energy to journal at the end of the day, have the energy just to enjoy the people that you're with, maybe to go for a walk at the end of the day. Or it could be something throughout the day. You need more energy in the middle of your day. So think about what that one thing is, and that's the thing I'm going to have you post or email to your mentor to share about your experience today. Great to have you with us. Glad you're here on this journey. And that's it. That's as easy as it can be. It doesn't have to be a big fancy headstand. All we want is 1 minute to just check in, notice how we feel, and we're going to take action on that throughout our day. Thanks for joining us. Namaste.